Hi guys, welcome to my channel Raipati Tableau. My name is Kalpana Raipati. In this video, let us see how to get the shading to a dashboard container. What I mean by that. See, I am not talking about any views in this video. Just let us talk about dashboards. I want to place some sheet. I am having one sheet one. I want to place one sheet in the dashboard. Now, here to place some sheets in the dashboards, we generally take objects, this horizontal container or vertical container based on our requirement. For example, here I am taking one horizontal container. For the entire dashboard, I have taken this horizontal container. Within that, again, I am taking one horizontal container and one blank container here. One blank I am taking here. Blank object, not container, blank object. So here, this is my horizontal container. We are clear about that, right? Now what is that I am doing is, I am taking another blank object here. So just I am talking about this horizontal container here. So for this horizontal container, I am showing that shading reflection. What is that? Again, I am taking another horizontal container on this same. Now I am going to this layout. Here you are having this outer padding and inner padding, right? Now I am selecting this outer padding. Now here I am adding this to 4. Before adding this, okay, let me do that. Before adding this, here I am taking this. For this, I am taking the background color. I am taking the background color as yellow, and I am selecting this horizontal container. Where this horizontal container is, it is within another horizontal container. Why I am unable to see that? Because we placed blank objects, both are blank, right? That is why this time I am selecting that. Now I am taking that background color to, you can't even find out what we have taken here, but for one container, the behind this this is not blue, behind this yellow container there is one blue horizontal container we are dropping, right? Or else let me, I'm coming from the starting, guys. I have deleted everything. These two are blank objects that I'm having here. Okay, this is, or else let me clear right from the beginning. I'm coming. Now just observe what is that I'm doing. I'm taking one horizontal container and one blank object I have taken here. Now again another blank object. Now I'm talking about this horizontal container. Before taking another horizontal container, I am changing this color to blue. Okay, now let me go to dashboard. Again, I am taking one more horizontal container here. Where I am dropping on top of this blue container. Now go to layout. I am changing. You can't find the difference now, but just observe. Behind this, there is another horizontal container that is in blue color. On top of that, we are having this yellow horizontal container. Now what is that I am doing is, here for this yellow horizontal container, I am adding the outer padding. So now here when I am adding the outer padding, here as this option is selected, on all the sides of the container, that padding is adding. Now what is that I am doing is, I am unselecting this. Don't add on the top. Just keep it like that. So I'm making it 0. So on top of this, we are not having on this outer padding. Even on the left side also I am taking 0 only. Just see, this container, this yellow container is having the padding on the right side and at the bottom. Now what is that I am doing is, now I am selecting that another horizontal container. Now I have selected blue container. What is that proof that I have selected blue container? Now see, here you are getting blue color. Earlier it used to be yellow color. Now when I selected that horizontal container of this yellow container, now here we are selecting blue color. Now I am changing this color to some gray color. Now I am changing this yellow color to some white color. Now see, here you are getting this reflection, right? some shading type of reflection to that container. Now what is that I am doing? I am dropping a sheet into this. Now I have dropped a sheet into this. Just like this, let us add one more thing so that you will understand how this will help us. Now again I am taking another horizontal container. Okay. Now here I am taking another sheet. Now let me go to dashboard 1. Here where I have taken this container, within this container I have taken it. Now here I have this horizontal container. Now I am dropping it next to this. Okay. So on this again I am taking another horizontal container. For just go to the layout, just add the padding to this. I'm adding the padding on the right side, 8 point. At the bottom I'm adding 8 point. Now just go to this and just select the horizontal container. Now for that container I am changing the background to this color. Okay. Now here let me go to this view. Now just drop sheet 2. Okay, this color is coming to that front one. I am pressing Ctrl Z. Here you are able to understand this, right? Let me take out, delete the container. I am coming again from the starting. I am taking one horizontal container here. For this will go to the back end where I am getting this shading, right? This will go to the back end. That is why I am taking the color of this as this gray color. Now on top of this I am taking another horizontal container. Now for this, what is that I am doing? I am taking that color. I am taking the color as white only. I'll keep this white. I am taking the color as white. Now here just select the container horizontal. Now the back end one is selected here. See, now this you are getting this gray color, right? Now just apply the padding. Here not all sides equal. Just take that right side. Here on right side just take 8 point. On bottom just take 8 point. Okay. Now here, why I am unable to see this? Select the container horizontal. This color is not okay. Let us see. When I drop this sheet, sorry, we are applying that to the back end. To the back end container we are applying that padding. Let me apply that padding to the front one. Before that, just select the container and select the container horizontal. Just take out this padding, all sides equal. Now just select this horizontal container. For the front one, just add the padding. Now even for the bottom, just add the padding. Now see how they are looking like. They are looking like some shading is coming to the sheets. You are able to understand this, right? Now even to differentiate this perfectly, let me add some blank in between these so that you can understand this perfectly. Now I am adding some blank here. Now see, you are able to understand this, right? This shading, it is looking like some shading reflection of this sheet. Okay, I think you understood this. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.